Hello everyone and welcome to another video. In this one we will be installing Raylib, I believe, and launching a window on Windows. Yeah, but Raylib does support multiple platforms, right? So I guess we can open our Chromium tab and search for Raylib GitHub. So we can open the recent Raylib repo, and we are going to use the latest release number version 5.0, right? And we can download for now the only thing we are using, but really, right, the header file is shared across all of these platforms, and it probably supports more than these platforms, but yeah, we can just download this one. Okay, so I just moved my zip file from the downloads folder into my Dear Universe directory, and inside here I'm going to create another folder and I'm going to call it third party, and I can move it the zip into here. And now I am going to have a folder for the Win32 MinGW 64, right? Well, we can just copy it, right? So Win32 MinGW64, and this is going to be for the .a file. Well, let me first unzip this one. Yeah, I know this is in Portuguese, but ignore it for a bit. Okay, and we are no longer going to need this one, I believe. So in here, or what did I just do? So this does have, so why doesn't this unzip it properly? Yes, unzip it, yes. So, okay, I guess, oh, okay, because, oh yeah, I had opened the wrong file. Okay, so this is the unzipped folder, and in here we are going to need these header files. We can place them directly in here, right? And let me check if I need to what kind of license this has. So this is, well, actually I can probably copy the license, it's not going to hurt. So let me see, so I can copy the license from here into here, right? I don't need a readme, I don't need a change log, I do need lib, right? And I'm going to copy the content of lib, right? Lib only contains that. Okay, that's strange. I thought that lib came with the DLL files, but I also didn't want to use DLL files. I was just a little bit confused. Okay, so I think that's everything we're going to need. So we have the .a file, we have the license, we don't need this. We have the header files, and we can also delete this, and I think that's everything. Okay, so now we have this third party folder, and I also don't need this, by the way. Exactly. And I think that the easiest way to do this is to have a build script for now. In the future we are going to have a proper like a proper C program to build our programs, but for now we can just have a simple build script, and I can copy what I used previously to compile. Okay, and here I want to compile actually my app, so I can say app. Here I want to use app, and here I can call it app probably, right? So this is going to be app, and app. Let me delete these executables. Alright, so yes, I need this standard, I want to compile with these flags, and now going to need to include my third party, right? So this is going to include these three header files, and I need to link stuff in this folder, so third party, and let me just copy this name because this is the Windows MinGW platform, right? And so I then provide a source file, and I can link with this thing, right? So this dot a, okay, and we are going to have some errors at the beginning because I need to also link with some kernel libraries from Windows, but we will get there. So the first thing we can do is just have our app.c. We can have int main, then we can include standard lib, and we can include Raylib, Raylib.age. Here we can return exit success, and here I need to say init window, right? And I'm going to initialize it with 1280 by 720, and the title is going to be Dear Universe, right? Dear Universe. Okay, so we initialized the window. Then I just need to say while window should close, should not close, obviously. I want to begin drawing, and I want to end drawing, right? And here I want to clear how is clear screen or something like that. Window, what was it? Clear background, I believe. Yeah, it was clear background, exactly. And here I can just use, I don't know, Ray Whites. Okay. And here I can close window. Okay, so I have everything. So this is the basic program to have a window working with Raylib, I believe. So let's test our build script. It is supposed to fail. I expect it to fail, so let's see. Here we can use build.sh, and this is going to fail exactly. Skipping incompatible. Okay, so this is not what I was expecting, to be honest. Did I download the correct thing? So because I never saw that error about, oh yeah, this is why I downloaded the incorrect thing. Okay, so let me yeah, download it. Okay, so we are back in our folder because I downloaded the incorrect stuff, right? So that happens sometimes. Yep. So I need to actually get this. The rest should be the same, so the include and the license, I believe it's the same. I just need the correct .lib stuff. So from here, yeah, so this already has a DLL, and that's what I used to see. That's what I am used to see actually. And but I want this archive file, and I only need that one, and here I can replace it. So this should be the correct version now. So let me open first my editor, and here let me try to rerun the build script. Okay, so now we have the correct version. I had the 32-bit, and this is not this is Win64 actually, right? Win64 means GW W64. Okay, so this is correct now. And why? Oh yeah, because I don't need this lib. Okay, so this is actually correct. Okay, nice. So now it is complaining about some missing stuff. Why it is complaining? Oh, because yeah, I changed the name, so this now needs to be Win64. Okay. Alright, so now we just need to find where this stuff is defined. We can search it on Google, right? This is from, where is it? Where is the answer? Out of curiosity, which one of these libs actually implements the set pixel format? So this one, let me see. Okay, so yeah, in fact, this GDI32 that I was initially expecting to be needed is the one that implements the functions like that are pixel related and stuff like that. And now we just need this time end period and time begin period. Let me use the suggestion that we saw on that forum to link with user 32 and see if this works. No. Okay, so user 32 is still not what we want. So time and period. Out of curiosity, is there any other lib on Windows link that implements this? Time API.age. Okay, but I need the lib that implements this. Okay, that's directly from Raylib. Okay, so yeah, system libraries. There is no other lib that implements this. Okay, just out of curiosity that there could be other lightweight lib that implemented it, and we didn't really need to link to such a large library since we saw that inside the that forum. But maybe that's just for the CL compiler, I don't know. But for MinGW, yes, this is the minimum amount of libs we need to link against, right? GDI32 and WinMM, right? And this basically works. So it compiles at least. Okay, so it compiles, and now we can run app. Let's see if this, okay. So we are running the app, as you can see here. We don't really have any errors, it's just infos, and yeah. So this is my display size is 1080p, and I just opened a window with 720p. This is in fact my graphics card, and yeah, that's basically it. So we can press escape, and this is going to basically close the window. And here I think I can add one last flag. Well, I don't know if I need static for now. I'm not going to statically compile because this only depends on system libs, so on the Windows kernel, right? Because the Raylib archive already contains everything that it needs, and it only depends on the kernel. So if we link against the kernel, and then add the static flag to the compiler, it's not going to do anything because you cannot really statically compile against kernel libs, right? It's only libc and stuff like that. Okay, so this is the build script. It's working, right? It's working, no problem. And I guess we can do something more interesting in here, right? Just for the sakes of it. So we can clear the background and we can start drawing stuff, I guess. Oh, there are quite a few more things. Oh, that's okay. This is a texture. Oh, this is for 3D. Okay, but our game is going to be 2D, and that's why I was not recognizing those functions. I just want 2D stuff. Let me find something like a draw text. Yeah, we have draw text. Soft rendering functions. This is from the CPU, and these are GPU functions. That's interesting. So I guess we can use CPU stuff for now. But I don't want the image draw text. I want the draw text Yeah, this one. Okay, so yeah, I wanted this one. So let's draw some text. I guess. Yeah, I think we can draw some text. So I don't know. You can say, "Dear universe, will be an amazing game." Then we can provide a position, and this is in pixels, if I'm not mistaken. At least if we don't use like begin camera modes and scissor and stuff like that. What is the camera mode? Well, whatever. We are not going to need that in this episode, but yeah. So let me use half of this. Well, we can extract it to const int width, and this is going to be this, and another const int height, and this is going to be this, and here we are going to be like width and height, and here I can simply say that the x is going to be half of the width and the height is going to be half of the window height. Font size I can use 10, and color I can use red, I guess. So this is just for test, of course. So let's build and run our app. And yeah, so this is a text. Let me increase the font size. And I know that there is a function. Let me just put this inside here. So this is the message, right? I can call it text, and here I want text width, and you can simply say that, and then we want text height, and same here. Put text width, text. Oh, sorry, this is text width, height, and we don't need this anymore. And we actually need to offset the width by the size of the text. I know there is some function that gives me the size, but I don't remember what function it is. It's this one, measure text. Exactly. I think I need this one, but well, yeah, I think I can use this one. So to this width, I need to subtract the text measurement using the same font size. I can use const int font size, like 24 or something. Here I provide the font size, here the same, and here I can divide it, right? So I basically subtract half of the width of the text, and this should be more or less centered. Or actually I need to add it. What? That is very strange. So the coordinates are... Oh, it's not doing anything. So this measure text is not giving me anything. That's very interesting. So let me just do this and see what is printing. So I can say text size and do that. Let me see. Oh, I need to include standard IO. Okay, but I want to see. It's giving me 0 for some reason. That is very strange. I have no idea why it is giving me 0. So if I put 10 in here, does it still give me 0? Yeah. Alright, so I guess this measure text function probably doesn't work exactly how I expect it to work. Um, Let me test this one just for the sake of it. So I want a vector 2, and this is going to be text size, and I can measure text extended, get default font default. Then I need the text, and I need the font size, and finally spacing. I'm going to put 0 on spacing, and here I can use .x, and I can print .x. Let's see if this does anything. Oh, probably, yeah, because I probably need to initialize the window before I use these functions. Maybe they use some sort of internal buffer or something. Let's see. I'm going to put 2 decimal places. Okay, so yeah, okay, so this is, I probably needed to initialize the window before I use that function. So let me use the one I intended initially. So let me just say measure text, and here I provide the text and the font size, and I don't need this anymore, and I don't need this anymore, and this okay, yeah, I need to put a minus here. Okay, so it's now centered. All right, so yeah, I guess this is basically the basics of Raylib. I want to say welcome to dear universe, right? So in the next few episodes we will start to work with both Raylib and libuv, right? So Raylib is going to be used on the app that we are going to give to the user, and libuv is going to be used both on the app and the server for network communication, basically. As you can see, like, Raylib is super simple. It may not be the best or the most versatile tool if you want to really like use very specific functionalities from Vulkan or OpenGL or whatever you want to use, but it's great for like beginners like me, because I've never made a game in my entire life, right? So I think Raylib is a very good fit for what I want to do. And yeah, I guess that's everything for today. We can delete this file because it's no longer needed. I guess that is everything for today, and I see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.